Hi, Dr. Daniel and Monica. Monica, thank you for responding to my post. Um, I actually agree with everything that Monica said in the response post. I really couldn't find any additional ACA Code of Ethics that would add to what she had discussed. Um, but I wanted to kind of take it in another direction too. The responsibility of professionals to each other is um, extremely important. I guess this actually is probably one of my favorite weeks of learning that we've had. I found it extremely interesting. Um, just because I didn't realize how many cases there were out there of unethical behavior. Um, so in as of the responsibility of the clients or the professionals to each other, there's also that ethical practice the counselor has to make um, in reference to caring for the the other counselor that's in wrongdoing, and think about their clients. So I think that in addition to what Monica had to say and all the great ACA codes that she mentioned, I also would like to add the client welfare. That the client welfare A1A is primary responsibility. And the primary responsibility of counselors is to protect the dignity and promote the welfare of the clients. So even though this person's clients are not my clients, they're members of the community and they still need to be protected and be, protected by making sure that the other counselor, if I knowingly know that they're doing something wrong, I need to make sure that they're still being protected. And no harm could be done towards them. So, other than, all the great points that Monica made, which is the C2D, D1D, D1H, I1, I2, and I2B were all phenomenal answers. But I just wanted to see if I can expand it just a little bit more due to the fact that she did such a wonderful job at answering the question. But I do think it's our job too to continue to protect the client, even though it's not our client. Um, Thank you for listening, and I hope you all have a blessed week. Thank you.